Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Owade Dodola. I'm an MS Research Fellow under the Cassava Project in Nigeria. The title of my presentation is Validation of Marketers Adopted Seed Variety for Enterprise Using Molecular Approach. My supervisor has stated as indicated. Cassava is one of important staple food crop grown mainly for consumptions and income generation. As an important colonially propagated crop, the seed enterprise is gradually gaining ground among other seed grain crops. Therefore, seed marketers patronize both formal and informal means of seed system in order to satisfy their buyers' seed variety preferences. And these have generated a diverse range of seed varieties on marketers' feed, which has been a great challenge for breeders to trail most of improved seed varieties that they have disseminated over time for better productivity. And also, farmers often give a negative feedback as a result of poor access to improved seed variety, and which has prompted them to source for most of their seed material for cultivation through informal means. And also, most farmers tend to get their seed material through unknown source, and most of materials cultivated by farmers are having unknown identity. So this has prompted this study to investigate farmers and breeders' efforts on improved seed variety that have been disseminated and how these are spread across board, and as well as identity of seed variety that have really gained ground in terms of seed enterprise. So these are outlined for the objectives of these studies. Like I said earlier, the purpose of this study is to understand cassava seed movement and trade preferences for seed enterprise, and also to verify the conserved seed trade that are worth buying, however, using the molecular approach. The methodology for this study is through a mixed method approach. This is to validate the seed variety conserved by marketers. And using a snowball techniques, a total of 196 farmers have identified 126 seed marketers across Osun, Benue, Imo, and Akwa Ibom states. Both men and women marketers have been investigated, except in Osun State, where seed conservation and enterprise are majorly men's role. Because oftentimes women in conservation and enterprise face challenge of control of men labor. However, they tend to channel their effort in conservation of the farm size, mainly for processing and for cassava product business. So from the result of the mean distribution of farmers' preferred trade quality in the seed enterprise, it is found that marketers said farmers are willing to buy seed varieties that are targeted basically for yield trade, and as well as final food product quality trade, which is key for seed adoption. However, one other important key trait that marketers identify is farmers' interest on stems quality appearance. So using a corresponding analysis, the x-axis shows showed 42.2% of total duration, while x-axis, y-axis has 16%. So it is apparent that most varieties conserved by marketers are targeted towards final food product quality, early maturity, yield, important trade, and in-ground storage ability. However, seed quality appearance and stability for agronomy practices, as well as starch demand, have shown a wider range of duration in the corresponding analysis plots. So for the second objective, to understand the identity, it is believed that a lot of farmers, it is believed that there is no total reliance in farmers' identification and on seed varieties, because a lot of farmers and marketers have really misidentified their cassava variety while some have erroneously represent their variety due to untrusted sources of seed material. Therefore, using morphological descriptors only will not be enough for cassava classification. So as a result of this, a DNA fingerprinting is used to investigate this study. And by so doing, 376 farmers' collections were referenced with over 600 genotype assertions in the IIT Genetic Library. And then 20 different SNP markers were used to investigate this. So the results show that there are 6 major groupings in these clusters. And among these clusters, there is only 12 clones that did not cluster with any of the reference lines in the IITA improved libraries. And this shows that assertions were considered related if they cluster together from what's dendrogram. Also importantly, there were high level of genetic relatedness in the farmers and marketers collection to genotype IITA profiles. And it is also show that, the results also show that the major grouping included mainly the farmer variety, which include 202 land races that were matched with 126 IITA improved land races in the reference set. Therefore, breeders' efforts are being appreciated because there is a high adoption and acceptability of improved seed lines for cassava enterprise. And most importantly, there are at least one unique clone in each region that did not cluster with IITA lines. So this study wants to recommend that for assessment of the seed variety, DNA fingerprinting is an important modern tool for investigation. And also to identify a genetic trait to link to any end user quality trait, breeding teams should assess traits of seed varieties that are demand-driven with associated seed identity. And lastly, all the unique clusters across each region should be collected and integrated back into IITA germplasm pool in order to tap the gene of interest. Thank you so much for listening.